Guys, I'm here with Kevin Hunsicker. He works at Thomas Sign. Now, Thomas Sign is actually doing our big signage out front, our monument sign, as well as doing all of our signage on the building. But the other cool thing that Thomas Sign did is they built Bert's Harley-Davidson War Memorial. So, Kevin, why don't you tell us a little bit about the design and construction process?
The design came about 6 months ago with Bert's little notes on a pad, and then I took it from there and we designed it through our design team. Fabrication, it's a structural steel, 150 mile an hour load. All of the exterior is plate aluminum. The graphics, the lettering all backlight and lit up. The motorcycle was a donor. It was a 42, I believe, or 44. And then the challenges we had was the initial design did not include an enclosure. So when the enclosure came in, that changed the wind and the engineering, and then the structural dynamics to be able to carry the weight of not only the enclosure but the motorcycle. So a lot of engineering is in this. The bottom structure alone is about a 6,000 pound structure. The upper area weighs about 1,400 to 1,500 pounds. And the motorcycle is right around 700 to 800 pounds. So this is structural, it's loaded, a very unique design. Thomas does do a lot of veterans and memorials around the country. So we're real pleased and proud to be able to do this one for our local.
Yeah, I was there and saw it during the construction phase, and this thing is built like a brick shit house. I mean, it is just the buttressing and all of the different angles and all of the reinforcement that went into this was really cool. Tell me about the lighting that's on the inside.
The lighting is all high definition LED lighting, so it will light very bright. At night it's very, very good. The logo's light, the graphics that you see, history of motorcycles and Harley-Davidson, all lights. The kind of a trick thing we did with the custom lighting in the enclosure, we kept a chrome diamond plate, which is what the motorcycle is setting on. And then with the light reflection, it really bounces back up at night. It's like a bunch of little sparkles on the bottom of the bike. So all high efficiency LED. This entire structure is only pulling 40 amps of power. So real efficient.
Very cool, and I like the emblems of the services on the side. Was there any kind of tricks or any kind of cool stuff you did there?
Yeah, well, what's neat, those are 1 inch thick polycarb, and we heated them on our ovens and actually curved it to the curvature of the radius. So really unusual to do it that way, but it fits the motif. There's the logo's halo light, and then they forward light. So again, at night it has a whole different illumination factor.
Very cool. So when you put it together, obviously, you know, the structure came, but it came actually in two pieces. And then the gazebo, how did you guys fit that?
The bottom two pieces came together. We fitted them in the shop, so we had two cranes to lift them, again, about 3,800 pounds on each side. And then the enclosure we actually fabricated complete as a one-piece unit. And we have one of the window panes is removable so that we can roll the bike in or out and have access inside for any service needs. So that alone was a challenge, and we did bring it down late at night so that we were kind of getting it down the roads as there was all over height, over width. So it was good. City worked with us really well here at Pinellas Park, so we're real fortunate that this community has got this.
Fantastic. Thanks for taking the time to talk about the memorial. This is Surf with Orange County Chopper Roadhouse and Museum. See you guys later.